Alright, so this is your homework. There are a few answers on the top, so I'm going to actually solve the fourth problem because it's the only problem that doesn't have an answer. So if you're feeling really stuck, you can go back and then see that problem solved. Alright, so it says here that we need to find the length of CD, and we have a couple pieces of information, so let's highlight those. So we're using the upsolve thing, so we always figure out what do we understand, what can we plan, how do we solve, and then how do we look back. So let's just take a look. So looks like we have here some information. That's the radius. So we've got the radius equals 3 feet. And we're trying to find arc CD, and we also have 80 degrees. So when we set this up, we know that we're trying to find arc, so that's part of the perimeter. So remember, is 2 pi r, and then we're trying to multiply it by what percent we need. So let's see here. So 2 pi times the radius is 3, and times it by the percent, and we know the percent is 80 degrees out of the total in every single circle is 360 degrees. And that would give us the length. And I'll put length CD. Alright, so let's just give it a go. So 2 times pi times 3, and then times, put parentheses as you type this in, 80 divided by 360. That, if I had done that separately, that's, remember, a percent, or part. So we have length, so arc CD equals 4.19 feet. Okay, let's check in. We know that it's a part, should be bigger than just this because it's 80 degrees. That's pretty significant. Seems to make sense, and we are set. Do the exact same thing on 1 and 2. You just take the formula that's usual, then multiply it by, we don't want the whole circle, we just want part of the circle, so multiply the part that we have. This one we're working backwards, so I will set that one up for us. So to go back here, so arc, we have the arc this time, and we have 120 out of 360 is our part, and we're trying to find the radius. So we know, let's use the same thing. 2 pi r times the percent gives us the part of the circumference of the arc. Okay, so put C. So 2 pi, and don't know this, so I'm going to put with an x because some of you feel more comfortable with the x, times 120 over 360 equals, and we have the answer this time. Alright, now we just solve backwards. We divide by all these, and we'll to get x by itself, and the final answer I have on the top should be equal to here. Okay, so give those a go. Again, if that still doesn't make sense, make sure you text me a question or ask. We'll be ready on Monday to share some things you're stuck on. Again, the overall concept here is we found out on Wednesday how to find normal circumference. We now want parts of the circumference. So a part, if I told you I ate half a pizza, that's 1 over 2, that's 50%. So if I said how much I know that there were 5 pizzas, I ate half of them. We take 5 and multiply by half. I must have ate 2.5 pizzas. That's kind of the big idea here, just as another summary. Good luck.